Can krill be farmed? Have you ever wondered about the tiny creatures that play a massive role in the polar ecosystem? Today, we are diving into the world of krill and whether they can be farmed. Krill are small, shrimp-like crustaceans found mainly in the Southern Ocean around Antarctica. They are a primary food source for many marine species, including whales, seals, and penguins. Understanding their biology and habitat is essential to answer the question of farming them. Krill thrive in a vast habitat that stretches across more than 32 million square kilometers of the Southern Ocean. They live in both surface waters and near the seafloor. Their life cycle is closely tied to sea ice, which provides food in the form of algae and shelter during winter months. This connection means that krill populations are sensitive to changes in sea ice coverage, which is affected by climate change. Farming krill on a large scale is not straightforward. These creatures requiring specific environmental conditions, such as cold water temperatures and access to natural food sources like ice algae. Replicating these conditions in captivity is quite challenging. Additionally, krill have a complex reproductive cycle that depends on seasonal changes and under-ice habitats, which are difficult to mimic artificially. Another factor to consider is that krill grow slowly and have specific dietary needs. Meeting these requirements in aquaculture settings can be tough. Currently, krill harvesting is carefully regulated due to their ecological importance. Fishing quotas are set conservatively to avoid overexploitation, especially as climate change threatens their habitat by reducing sea ice. From the perspective of the polar regions, protecting natural krill populations is vital. The delicate balance of the Antarctic ecosystem relies heavily on wild krill. Large-scale farming could disrupt this balance or prove economically and ecologically unfeasible. Instead, scientists focus on monitoring krill populations using advanced technologies like spaceborne light detection and ranging to assess their distribution and abundance continuously. This helps in managing their populations sustainably. While it might be theoretically possible to farm krill, the current scientific and practical challenges make it unviable at this time. Protecting natural krill populations and their polar environment remains the priority as we face climate change and the loss of sea ice.